How to add transparent background in Instagram stories. Hello guys, in the tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to add transparent background in Instagram stories. I do recommend watching the video to the end so you get all the steps you need in this process. You also may want to subscribe to this channel in case there should be any new updates on this topic. So let's dive right in and head over to the Instagram app. The first thing you want to do is to create a new story by tapping the plus symbol or swipe to the right. For this video we are just going to choose a photo from our photo library. To put transparency on this background, the first thing you want to do is to tap the three dots up in the right corner and then tap draw. And then you want to tap the highlighter down on the left. And now you can move the highlighter around and choose the color you want the background to be. Or you can choose one of the colors at the color palette at the bottom of the screen. The next thing you want to do is to put the finger on the screen and then long hold it until the background changes. So this is basically a really simple way on how to add transparent background in Instagram stories. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to answer. If this tutorial worked for you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.